$625 in passive income in a single day by copy trading a German professional trader. That's not a dream, that's reality. One of our community members made $624.90 in a single day. Here are some other results from other guys of our community. We see $144, $6.78, $12.59, or $4.80. Obviously, more important is the percentage right after the number. This is the percentage of one single day. And you can see 4.1%, 1.47, 1.6, 2.81, 1.11. 5 different results from 5 different days. And we can see this trader made us 8.41% in passive income in a single week by verified trading on RoboForex. Guys, this method is absolutely insane. We copy trading a professional trader who is using a high risk strategy trying to make us 1% every single day from Monday to Friday, so 5% per week. 3 weeks ago, I started with about $490 in my account. I'm now up to $614. So I'm up almost 25% in just 3 weeks. Absolutely ridiculous. Now keep in mind, we're using a high risk strategy. So there will be some losing days and there will also be some bigger drawdowns. Last week, our maximum drawdown was at minus 11.66%. So on Friday, we did experience a substantial drop down. But in the end, the trader closed down the day with about 2.83% in profit. So he turned that day around in fantastic fashion. And for everybody who didn't watch our last 2 videos, we are copy trading a German professional trader who is offering copy trading the DAX through RoboForex broker. But keep in mind, guys, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. There are massive risks involved. The maximum drawdown of this copy trading account was minus 53% at a time. But throughout the last 470 days where this account is live, the trader made over 1,230% in profit. The trader does have a digital footprint. You can easily access his private or company Instagram account. Follow him on Telegram for trading updates. There is a group with about 5,000 subscribers on Telegram for his copy trading. And to get started, it's also pretty easy. There's a link to RoboForex broker down below in the description. This is a direct referral account. Feel free to use it. Once you set up your RoboForex account, you want to open up a trading account where you can copy trade from. Just go to Accounts, Real Account, choose Real Trading Platform, Metatrader 4, account type Metatrader 4 Pro. The currency, you can either leave it in US dollars or go to euros. Leverage 1 to 1000. Choose your own password. And if you want to support the channel, type in code RGZF. Once this is done, you should see your account number with a Pro right behind, Metatrader 4 Standard, and ECN with a balance of $0. You can make deposits through funds and deposit funds. You can choose a bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency, but only after verification. So before you can get started, you got to go to Profile, Verification, and got to go through a standard KYC procedure. I will also leave a step-by-step instruction how to get started in the description down below. Now, once this is done, you made a RoboForex account, opened up a trading account, went through the KYC and deposited a little bit of money to your account. You at least need 100 euros, so at least a little bit more than $110. You can go to the traders page. There's a link down below in the description as well for that. Scroll down and go to copy trader. Leave all the settings as they are and you're good to go. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. There are many links down below, like to my WhatsApp or mail or Telegram account. Don't hesitate to get your questions to me. I'll gladly answer everything to the best of my knowledge and hope we can make some more profits the coming week. Until then, bye bye.